Hey Mom, we found our perfect camping spot. There's a three fireplaces
We
down
can
there.
get to the river.
And there's tons of wood. And I'm gonna show you something. This is how close the creek is, Mom.
The river's right
That's
there.
what we're seeing. And the river is right in this little alleyway. Up here, down there, and that's the river. Beautiful. Bye, Mama. Daddy's gonna say bye to you. Love ya.
Hi. That's better. All right. The stars are starting to come out. They're incredible. They're everywhere. Even. It's a beautiful night. So we're having fun out here. Camping. Our first camping trip.
Yellow kind of mixed.
Yeah, I think that's an October caddis that we're seeing. So there's a bunch of those around. See the bottom?
And there's even more.
All right, fire's starting to burn down. Oh, so it's an absolutely beautiful morning. Unbelievable. All right, good morning, crew. Covey a quail is running over there, and Jack spotted the quail.
And we're both drinking. I'm drinking a tiny bit of coffee. He's
We
drinking
got a
some
nice
coffee.
hot cup of coffee in the morning, cooking some bacon on the stove top.
Now
We're making some more coffee
The
here in
fire
the fireplace.
was huge, and now we just had to diet down so we can cook the coffee thing, but it's a good morning.
And it sounds like something like maybe Chucker are on this hill over here. I hear birds. We saw so many game birds.
Oh my gosh.
We saw so much game. What looked like sharp-tailed grouse
And guess what we saw?
in the road, and quail all
what
over.
was the big cat? The cat.
Oh, we saw a bobcat.
Bobcat.
We saw a bobcat. So,
And buffalo.
and there was some buffalo in a pasture, yeah. Somebody had buffalo. What a beautiful morning it is. All right, Mr. Jack is fishing on the Ohi River.
I got him! Fish! Fish!
Awesome, dude. All right, Jack has caught 3 fish so far. 3 fish, but he hasn't landed any. They've all gotten off.
He just barely take the fly, like
Mr. Jack just caught another fish. So he is doing so well. All right, here's Mr. Jack's setup.
that caught 4 fish.
So first of all, we've got size 16 black zebra midge with silver. And we've got a stonefly nymph. And there's about a foot and a half between those two. And then another foot and a half to this weight. And the distance between the strike indicator, here you go, hold your fly. So let's see, it's maybe 4 or 5 feet total to the strike indicator. What are they hitting, the zebra midge or the stonefly?
They're hitting the zebra midge because 2 that I had on line that jumped, and I'm positive they're hitting
You can
the
see
zebra
it,
midge.
yeah. Very cool.
I got
Oh
4
man,
fish.
what a day. Mr. Jack had 4 fish. They're jumpers. They're jumping out of the water. I mean, they're absolutely there. They're about, I would say, 14 to maybe 18
I
inches.
think like the last one I think was like 15, but that first one that I got, he was about 18. I can see.
Yeah, they were pretty good size. I don't think they're like 22
20.
inches or anything, but
20.
they're good size fish. All right, it's lunchtime and we are going to have some hot
Sausage.
dogs. What'd you do?
Sausage.
I'll throw it in the fire. So we're just gonna cook our hot dogs on the fire as soon as that turns into coals. And we had a great time fishing. Jack caught 4 fish, but we didn't land any, so we got to get better at landing. We need a 2-man landing party. Trying to land him by himself
the
is
current.
really difficult because the river flows so
Goes
fast.
so quick.
Yeah,
My
so
hot- I messed up
when they get up
sticking
real
my
close,
hot
they
dog.
get off. That'll be fine. Mine's the same way. Look.
Oh yeah.
All right, hot dogs are cooking. Getting ready to have some lunch. All right, that hot dog is looking beautiful.
Oh baby.
They are ready to eat.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Is this where you were catching fish before?
Yeah. This is where I got that 3 off.
Show me, say, right there is when it's in the spot, tell me.
Right there.
Cool, okay. They look too big for quail. Let's see if we have it on anything else. I think that might have been a covey of chukar because they were bigger than quail. And I think we heard chukar earlier today. Ducks. Just came off the water there. Hear that? That sounds like chukar down there. All right, we're having some dinner.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti in a bowl. We got a nice fire. And it's just been a wonderful day.
Yeah.
And now we're just gonna sit, watch the fire for a while, and enjoy the outdoors. It's starting to get dark. Doesn't really look it from the from the video here, but it's starting to get dark, and it's just a delightful evening.
We just cooked up some beautiful bacon.
All right,
Last breakfast.
last breakfast while we're here, which is pretty good. We got scrambled eggs with cheese and onions and peppers and bacon. Looks pretty darn good, doesn't it, buddy? There's a fire. Took off again. Got another cup of coffee going on the fire.
Good.
And just sitting and relaxing and enjoying. All right, well, we're all packed up. Fire's out. Everything's packed up. And we're ready to go, huh, buddy?
Yep.
So off we go. It was a fun trip.